Hi everybody, it is second part of the goto command. First part we studied in last video, it is second part, and we will start from field options. In last video we did up to EndNote. Now we will start from field. So to use or to visit fields, we will take new document. First of all, I will press Ctrl N. I will fill some data in it and will copy and paste this data number of times. Now I will put different type of fields in this document with the help of insert command. I will go to insert and quick part. Here are the field. I will click on it. So from here I can put fields. I will write author name. Okay, it is author name. Now one field I will put here. Create date. Okay, next date, like this. Next file name. Okay, so like this I put some fields in this document. If I want to go through this document with the help of field, I will press Ctrl G and will say field. I will click on next. One by one all fields will be shown by this command, and from previous we will move from bottom to top. So these are the use of field. By the help of field we can search in our document, or we can look or search all the fields present in document. Next is table. It is very common when document is very lengthy. It contain, suppose it is a report, it contain many tables, and if you want to all tables one by one, we can look with the help of table command. So in this document first I will put some table. Suppose it is a table, and I will put one more table here. Suppose it is one more table. Next I will put one more table here, like this, and I will put one more table here, like this. So this document contains some tables, and if I want to visit all tables one by one, I will simply click on table and say go to. We are the at last table. I will close this, delete this. Previous option, next option will bring us, or will move cursor to the next table, and previous option will show tables one by one from bottom to top. So like this we can visit tables present in the document one by one. With the help of next we will move from top to bottom, and with the help of previous we will move from bottom to top. Next option is graphics. If our document contains some graphics, some picture, images, or some other things which are graphical in nature, we can look for those also with the help of goto command. For this, first of all I will click on insert picture and will put a graphic here. One more graphic I will put here, insert picture, and I will put one more graphics, again insert picture, I will put one more graphics, like this, insert picture, and these are the graphics. Now if you want to look all these graphics one by one, for this I will press Ctrl G and will say graphics. I will press on next button. It will show all graphics or graphical images present in the document one by one. So with the help of graphics command we can visit all the graphics present in our file. Next is equation. Suppose our document contains some equations also, we can visit those equations also with the help of equation command. For this we have to put some equation. We will go to insert and go to object. In object I will select equation from here, Microsoft equation. Okay, and here we have to write some equation. Suppose I write equation like this. After some time, in next paragraph, I write a equation like this. It is one more equation, contains some text. Here is one more equation. It also contains some data. So suppose these are the equations present in my document, and I want to look all these equations one by one. So I will click on equation and will say next, next, next. So we can look here, it's showing all these equations one by one with the help of next and previous command. Next is object. If our document contains some object, we can visit all those objects also with the help of this command. For this we will go to object option, and here from here I will put some object in my file. First object is, I will say I will put a bitmap image. Okay, I will create a bitmap image like this, will cross in it, and this object will be added to the document. Next object is, I will click here, go to object, and I will put a graphic chart. Okay, it is a graphical chart. It is one more object. Next I will put graphical equation. So it is also an object. I will put my cursor here, again go to the object, and if something contain I will put over there, suppose Excel chart. Okay, like this. So these are the some objects I inserted in this document. Now if I want to visit objects one by one, I will click on object and will say next, next, next. It will show all equations because equations are also object, and chart also. So these are the objects that I inserted in this document. Next is heading. It is the last option. For heading, again I will take a new file. I will put some data in this file, copy and paste this data number of times, and I will put some heading in this document. Suppose it is a heading chapter 1, and I will say it is heading 1. I will copy this heading and paste, and will say it is chapter 2, paste, it is chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5. Now I will say Control G and go to heading. So by the help of this command we can visit all headings present in the document one by one. Next command will move to the next, and previous command will bring us from bottom to the top. So all these commands we discuss in these two videos. I hope all these things will be clear to you, but still then if you have some problem you can ask me through comment. And if this video or this tutorial is helpful for you, you can like this video and can share this video, and can subscribe my channel for more videos related to topics like this, or to learn more topics like this.